it's Kasia, and today I'm going to be showing y'all how I installed this closure wig. Yes, this is a closure. Technically, it is a 9 by 5 instead of a 13, which a 13 would make it frontal. So this is from Asteria Hair. They sent me over this ready-to-wear wig. It is pre-cut and pre-plucked. I did go ahead and bleach it off camera though, but it comes with 4 combs and an elastic band, and I'm just going to get right into the install. So I am using a little bit of skin guard on my skin before I put the glue on. You do not have to glue this wig down, but I wanted to glue it down because I feel more secure with my wig being glued down. It lasts more days. It's less maintenance when I glue it down. So if I'm planning on wearing it a full week versus a couple days, I'll go ahead and glue it down. So I am using my boho active lace glue. I'm gonna show y'all me doing 1 layer, but I actually did 3 layers.
It don't mean that much to me. We ain't gotta worry about it. Just focus your energy. We'll build our whole world around it. It don't mean that much to me. We don't gotta fight about it. Just focus your energy, baby.
So now that I'm done with the 3 layers, I'm gonna go ahead and put my wig on. Pro tip: if your hair is long and thick like mine, go ahead and get you some wig braids. This is my last video doing them big old braids. It's getting out of hand at this point. But anyway, what's done is done. So I'm just pretty much lining up my lace with my nose, like making sure my part is in the middle since I did pluck my part ahead of time. And I'm also lining up my lace with the glue that I laid down.
I'm just honest, I ain't perfect, baby.
Honestly, I
know it's hard, but ain't I worth it, baby?
Challenging when it seems that you don't give a shit. Wondering where you've been. I don't believe everything. Trying not to forget.
This gon' work if we keep working on it.
So once I've adjusted the wig to my liking, I'll go ahead and use my comb to kind of like push the lace into the glue even more. And then I'm going to go ahead and lay it down with an edge band. The edge band is what really melts it. I also like to use some of the even spray. Sometimes I use the black one. I've used the gold one as well and the red one. I don't have a preference at the moment. I'm just going to probably test out all the colors and see which one I like the best later on. But yeah, I'm using that, and then you let it sit a little bit, just like 30 seconds, 20 seconds before you put the band on. Because if you put the band on too soon after you've just sprayed it, your lace is going to stick to the band instead of to your head. Pro tip, please make sure you don't put the band on too soon. I'm going to do a rough flat iron because normally I flat iron my wigs on the wig stand. Why I didn't do it this time, I have no idea, but I wish I would have. But anyway, yeah, I'm going to do a rough flat iron on myself, and then I'm going to show y'all how the wig looks with no baby hair. And then I'm going to add baby hair and show y'all how it looks with baby hair. You can do it with or without. This is one of those wigs that you don't even have to glue down. You can wear it literally how it is straight out the pack. All you need to do is use a little bit of makeup and use a little bit of lace spray. But this is how it looks after I flat ironed it. I'm using some spritz and my hot comb to flatten down the top part of my wig. Obviously, I told y'all my braids big as ever, so it's only so flat it could get, so bear with me. Make sure your hair is flat underneath your wig. Don't be like me.
So if you love me, won't you say you love me? You so beautiful, this world get ugly.
We vibe, it's us alright. No strings, no ties, all trust, no lies.
We don't need that type of energy, 'cause I am not your enemy. You closer than.
And for the reveal, I know that's right. So yeah, I'm just gonna be combing out the spray, because it do get a little crunchy, a little hard. Comb out that spray, and then you see how it's looking. It's giving very much scalp. My spray did get a little crusty on one side, but other than that, y'all, that's giving scalp. Okay, no baby hair, shoddy. Y'all know I always wear my baby hair, but I definitely could have got away with no baby hair with this wig. The lace bomb, period. And you don't have to worry about your sideburns coming up, because you don't have sideburns, and you can't even, and it's not even noticeable. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and add my baby hair. I'm parting out 2 swoopity swoop sections on each side. I'm gonna curl them, comb them out, swoopity swoop them, lay them down, and that's pretty much gonna be it. I'll come back to y'all at the end.
You always make me feel like, oh yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone, yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like, yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone, yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Giving we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like, oh yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone, yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just, yeah, you always make me feel like, oh yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone, yeah,
So now that I got them swooped to my liking, I'm going to tie them up and leave them sitting until they're dry, so usually about 20 minutes. One thing that I can say is you should be working really fast when you're using the mousse and spray, because it can lift up your lace. So make sure that you're working, not rushing, but that you're not taking too much time.
the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. Just can't stop thinking about you.
Okay, y'all, so these are the final results with the baby hair. Let me know down below which one y'all like the best. But thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for my new videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.